Hello everybody, today we're looking at zinc light spray, also known as cold galvanizing. It's ideal for rust prevention on steel or as a touch-up on already galvanized items. Now, as you can see here, the top is going to give you more or less the same color what your steel will be. The nozzle can be adjusted whether it's vertical or horizontally for your spray pattern, and this section can be adjusted for the specific amount of spray to come out. Now, what's crucial on any piece of material before you spray it, this is a clean piece of metal, or loose rust need to be removed. So whether you do it via a little pad like this, or on a grinding disc, or a fleece disc, or a flap disc, doesn't matter. Please just make sure that most of your loose rust is removed from your material piece. As you can see there's still rust formation there, but the loose rust has been removed. So now I'm going to just do a little forward and backward motion, because that's the right way to make sure that you put down as much as possible of the zinc light on one go. So and as you can see, it gives you the same color more or less that is on the cap of the tin, and with that you can be assured of at least a 250-hour salt spray resistant. The maximum temperature that this one coating will withstand is about 240 degrees, and the maximum curing time for this is 12 hours. So after 15 minutes, if you use it as a primer on your metal, you can spray over it, and it's also a weld-through primer. So once you've treated your metal with the zinc light, you can still weld through this product. Thank you. Now I've got the setting on the minimum. The spray nozzle is horizontal like this, and my spray pattern is going to come out vertical. So on the minimum one, you'll get that effect, and if I change it to maximum, clearly you can see. Now just by changing the nozzle, now my spray pattern will be like that, and on maximum like that.